हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल। ये अगला लेक्चर है पॉलिटी सीरीज़ में, लेक्चर 5th। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने स्केड्यूल्स देखे। इस लेक्चर में हम प्रियम्बल के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन वॉज मूव्ड टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑन 13 दिसंबर 1946। ये शुरू के चैप्टर्स में हमने देखा। by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and it was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22nd January 1947. Later, this resolution became the foundation of the preamble. Words socialist secular integrity SSI were incorporated in the preamble by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. The preamble declares India as a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic nation. It secures to all its citizens justice of three types: social, economic and political. It is very helpful in the legal interpretation of the Indian Constitution. In the words of Sir Alladi Krishna Swami Iyer, the preamble of the Constitution expresses what we had thought or dreamt so long. अच्छा, यहाँ पे ये जो था ना कि जस्टिस कितने टाइप्स की हैं, 3 टाइप्स, तो इस पे भी सवाल आता है, सोशल, इकोनॉमिक और पॉलिटिकल। सुप्रीम कोर्ट एक्सेप्टेड इट एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन केशवानंद भारती केस इन 1973. Before this, in the Berubari case of 1960, the preamble was not considered a part of the constitution. In Golaknath versus State of Punjab 1967, the preamble was considered as the core soul of the constitution. In Bommai versus Union of India in 1994, Supreme Court again gave the concept that the preamble is a part of the constitution. It is non-justiciable in nature. It talks about the freedom of faith, वर्शिप, एक्सप्रेशन एंड थॉट। नॉन जस्टिसिएबल मैंने आपको डिस्कस किया है, एनफोर्सेबल, नॉन एनफोर्सेबल, जस्टिसिएबल, नॉन जस्टिसिएबल। आप कोर्ट नहीं जा सकते इसके लिए। इट ऑल्सो एंश्योर्स डिग्निटी एंड इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर ऑल. इट इज कॉल्ड द सोल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called the right to constitutional remedies Article 32. 2 आर्टिकल्स कहे थे मैंने, एक आर्टिकल 32 और आर्टिकल 226. आपको पता है तो कमेंट करिए. As the heart and soul of the constitution, K.M. Munshi called the preamble the political horoscope. Subhash Kashyap said that if the constitution is the body, then preamble is the soul. If the constitution is building, then the preamble is the foundation stone. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said the constitution is a pious paper. ये सब सवाल आते हैं, आगे देखते हैं. In the following quotation, we the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice. कितने? 3 टाइप्स की: सोशल, इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिटिकल, लिबर्टी ऑफ थॉट एंड एक्सप्रेशन, बिलीफ, फेथ एंड वर्शिप. लिबर्टी 5 टाइप्स की: इक्वालिटी ऑफ स्टेटस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी, equality of 2 types, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our constituent assembly, this X do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this constitution. X stands for, ये आपने पिछले वीडियोस अगर देखे हैं तो उसमें भी देखा होगा, 26 नवंबर 1949. The Indian Constitution starts with preamble, which outlines the main objectives of the Constitution. The preamble describes the nature, objectives and ideals of the Indian political system. Also contains the date on which the Constitution was adopted, that is 26 November 1949. Next, what was the exact constitutional status of the Indian Republic on 26 January 1950 when the Constitution came into force? तब सोवरेन डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक, अभी ऊपर मैंने आपको बताया SSI, सोशलिस्ट, सेक्युलर और इंटीग्रिटी, ये 3 वर्ड्स इंसर्ट किए गए थे बाय द 42nd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट ऑफ 1976. Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. Exact constitutional status on 26 1950 was a sovereign democratic republic. Words socialist, secular and integrity were added by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. What was the exact constitutional status of India on 26 January? Almost same question ही है, तो sovereign democratic republic. The mind of the makers of the Constitution of India is reflected in which of the following? Preamble. Reflects the minds of the makers of the Constitution. ये K.M. मुंशी साहब ने कहा था. Called it a political horoscope. Preamble को K.M. मुंशी साहब ने क्या कहा था? Political horoscope. How many types of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity in that order have been mentioned in the preamble of the Constitution of India? यहाँ पे हमने देखा था एक जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था, तो जस्टिस 3 टाइप्स की थी, लिबर्टी 5, इक्वालिटी 2 एंड फ्रेटर्निटी 1 टाइप की. तो 3, 5, 2, 1 जस्टिस, लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी. 3, 5, 2, 1. 5, 2, 1. 3 types of justice, 5 types of liberty, 2 types of equality and 1 kind of fraternity. In the context of the preamble of the Indian Constitution, which of the following sequence is correct? Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. ये आपको लर्न ही करना पड़ेगा, उसी से आप इसका करेक्ट ऑर्डर डिराइव कर पाएंगे. Preamble of the Indian Constitution amended by 42nd Amendment Act 1976. We the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Word peoples is not mentioned in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. This particular word has been mentioned in the Constitution of चाइना. आपने सुना होगा पीपल्स रिपब्लिक, पब्लिक चाइना. मेन लैंड चाइना को ये बोलते हैं. दूसरा ताइवान है. Which among the following is the correct order mentioned in the preamble? Same question है. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. In which form is India declared in the preamble of Indian Constitution? Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Consider the following words: socialist, sovereign, democratic, secular. तो इसमें से sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic. Sequence of words in the given preamble would be CADV. The expression socialist was introduced in the preamble of the Indian Constitution by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. Has been amended by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976, which added 3 new words: socialist, secular and integrity. Which of the following was inserted in the preamble of the Constitution of India through 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act? Sovereignty, dignity, socialist, secular, privacy. Socialist, secular and integrity were added. Words secular, socialist were added to the preamble by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. Which one of the following describes India as a secular state? तो ये कौन डिस्क्राइब करता है? preamble of the Constitution डिस्क्राइब करता है that India is a secular state. Preamble of the Constitution contains the word secular, which was added to the preamble by 42nd CAA 1976. Thus it declares India as a secular state. Which one of the following words was not included in the preamble of the Indian Constitution in 1975? तो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि जो 42nd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट था वो 1976 में था, जिसमें कि सोशलिस्ट, सेक्युलर और इंटेग्रिटी, ये 3 शब्द ऐड किए गए थे। तो यहाँ से हो जाएगा इंटीग्रिटी was not in the constitution at the time of its commencement. It was added by this. Which of the following words have been added to the same question है? Socialist, secular, first and third. Consider the following statements in regards to the preamble of constitution and select the correct one using the code given below. Objectives resolution by Jawaharlal Nehru finally became preamble. It is non-justiciable. इट कांट बी अमेंडेड, तो अमेंडमेंट तो हुआ है इसमें। और प्रियम्बल कैन नॉट ओवर राइड द स्पेसिफिक प्रोविजंस ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। सो यस, प्रियम्बल में जो लिखा है वो स्पेसिफिक प्रोविजन से यहाँ पे बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर से मतलब है, बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, उसको कोई भी ओवरराइड नहीं कर सकता। Objectives resolution moved by Jawaharlal Nehru on 13 December 1946 was unanimously adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22 January 1947. दो डेट्स थी पहले, 9 दिसंबर 1946 और फिर उसके बाद 13 दिसंबर 1946। तो जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली थी तो उसके यहाँ पे अलग अलग चेयरमैन थे। अगर आपको याद है तो आप बता सकते हैं कमेंट्स में, ये पिछली क्लासेस में डिस्कस हुआ है। डॉक्टर सच्चिदानंद सिन्हा, और यहाँ पर कौन थे, क्या डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद थे या पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू थे, आप ये कमेंट्स में बता सकते हैं। आगे चलते हैं। Later this resolution became the foundation of the preamble. Supreme Court said in the Keshwanand Bharti case that preamble of the constitution can be used to explain ambiguous areas of the constitution. Amendment of the preamble is possible, and by 42nd constitutional amendment the words socialist, secular and integrity were added to it. It is non-justiciable, that is, its provisions cannot be enforced in a court of law. It cannot override the provisions of the constitution. Thus 1, 2 and 4 are correct. What is the legal nature of the preamble of the constitution? तो it is not enforceable. यहाँ पे देखा था ना आपने, can't be enforced, और ऊपर भी देखा था it is also not justiciable. Preamble of the constitution amended by 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. इसको क्या मिनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भी कहते हैं? Yes or no? In 1976, preamble of the Constitution was modified by the 42nd Amendment. The characterization of India as a sovereign democratic republic changed to a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. The term unity of the nation was changed to unity and integrity of the nation. Term socialist was added by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. By which constitutional amendment was the term socialist? First, second, 42nd. In the preamble of constitution adopted on 26 November 1949, which words were not present? Socialist, secular, integrity. 1, 2, 3. Word secular was inserted by 42nd. Goal of constitution is to assure all its citizens justice, social and economic, liberty of thought and expression, equality of opportunity, dignity of the individual. तो आपने ऊपर देखा था कि कई टाइप्स की जस्टिस, लिबर्टी और इक्वालिटी थी, 352 और फ्रेटर्निटी भी थी, तो वो आपको याद करना होगा। बट अगर उससे कम भी यहाँ पर जैसे दे रहा है कि सोशल, इकोनॉमिक बट पॉलिटिकल मिसिंग है, तो फिर भी ये करेक्ट है। लिबर्टी ऑफ थॉट एक्सप्रेशन और बट ये भी करेक्ट है। इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मेंशन्ड है एंड डिग्निटी ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल, तो यहाँ पे ऑल ऑफ द अबव हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट देखिए, इसमें आप 2-4 चीज़ें याद कर लेंगे तो आपके सारे क्वेश्चन हो जाएंगे। एक 42nd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट से क्या आया था, प्रियम्बल किस डेट को लागू हुआ था, कब अडॉप्ट किया गया था, किसके थ्रू किया गया था और ये कहाँ से डिराइव्ड है, और ये जस्टिसेबल है या नहीं है, और उसकी लैंग्वेज क्या है, कितने टाइप्स की, जस्टिस, इक्वालिटी, ये सब है। तो बस इससे ही आपके सारे क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व हो जाएंगे इस चैप्टर के। द प्रियम्बल एम्बॉडीज द बेसिक फिलोसफी एंड फंडामेंटल वैल्यूज ऑन विच द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज बेस्ड. Preamble is aimed to secure to all its citizens justice, socio-economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and other as reason. India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. It was substituted by 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. किसके एवज में, सोवरेन डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक पहले था. तो येस, दीज टू आर करेक्ट, तो बोथ करेक्ट एंड दिस एक्सप्लेन्स दिस हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. इंडिया हैज़ पीपल्स सोवरेनिटी बिकॉज द प्रियम्बल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बिगिन्स विद द वर्ड्स वी द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया. Preamble of the Constitution starts with the words "We the people of India." These words indicate the sovereignty of the people or citizens of India. It means that the people of India are not governed by any external power but are directed by the Constitution. Next, where have the words "We the people of India" been used in the Constitution of India? So it is preamble. All individuals are fully and equally human. This principle is known as principle of all individuals are fully and equally human is known as universalism. According to this principle, every person is entitled to human rights without any discrimination. Which among the following is the correct expression of the term secular in India? India has many religions. India have religious freedom. Indians have religious freedom. Following the religion depends upon the will of an individual. There is no religion of the state in India. ये correct है. Indian Constitution embodies the positive concept of secularism. Secularism in India means there is no official religion of state in India. Secular का Indian context में ये मतलब है. Which of the following words is not mentioned in the preamble of the Constitution? Sovereign, secular, democratic, federal is not mentioned. Which of the following words is not in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Sovereign, socialist, secular, public welfare. This is not mentioned. Which one of the following liberty is not embodied in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Economic liberty is not mentioned. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Which among the following is not mentioned in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Social justice, political, economic, religious is not mentioned. Justice 3 types की थी, social, economic and political. Social, economic and political, whereas the word religious justice is not present in preamble. Which of the following is true in relation to the preamble of the Constitution of India? Words socialist and secular were not part of the preamble on the enforcement of the Constitution in 1950. Correct. ये कब आया था? 42 Constitutional Amendment Act 1976 से आया था. The above mentioned words were inserted by 1977. Above mentioned words were inserted by amendment in 1985. These 2 words are not part of the preamble. So A is the correct answer. Which part of the Indian Constitution has been described as the soul of the Constitution? Preamble. Called the soul of the Constitution by K.M. Munshi, a member of the drafting committee, defined the preamble as the horoscope of our sovereign democratic republic. Subhash Kashyap has mentioned that if Constitution is the body, then preamble is the soul. If the preamble is the foundation, then Constitution is the structure or building standing on it. It is notable that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has recognized the right to constitutional remedies as the heart and soul of the Constitution. So if the question asked about Dr. Ambedkar, then D will be the correct answer, right to constitutional remedies. ये डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर के केस में करेक्ट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 35. Who among the following called the preamble of Indian Constitution the horoscope of our sovereign democratic republic? ये ऊपर आपने देखा KM मुंशी. Who has termed Constitution as a sacred document? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In 1947 became the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly of India. Ambedkar was a staunch constitutionalist. He believed that a government must be constitutional and that the Constitution must be treated as a basic and sacred document. In which case did the Supreme Court first declare that the preamble is not a part of the Constitution? Behru-Bari case में. Behru-Bari case of 1960, the Supreme Court of India declared the preamble is not an integral part of the Indian Constitution. In which of the following cases Supreme Court held that preamble forms the part of the Constitution? ये Bommai versus Union of India. In the case of S.R. Bommai versus Union of India in 1994, the Supreme Court held that the preamble is an integral part of the Constitution. In the case of Keshwanand Bharti versus State of Kerala in 1973, a bench of 13 judges of the Supreme Court outlined a basic structure document of the Constitution. ये 7 versus 6 का जजमेंट था. Anyway, आगे देखेंगे आप ये. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court regarded preamble as a part of the basic structure of the Indian Constitution? तो ये केशवानंद भारती was regarded as part of the basic structure by the Indian Constitution by the Supreme Court in the Keshwanand Bharti case. Next, the ideals and objectives outlined in the preamble of the Indian Constitution have been further elaborated in Fundamental Rights, DPSP, Fundamental Rights and Fundamental Duties, nowhere else in the Constitution. तो ये तीनों जगह पर elucidated है, elaborated है. In DPSP, Fundamental Rights and Fundamental Duties. Main objective of the Constitution is to secure justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity to all its citizens. The advancement of the people should not be a barrier to the advancement of the nation. So the promotion of fraternity is also aimed in the Constitution. The ideals and objectives outlined by the preamble are included in the chapters related to fundamental rights, DPSP and fundamental duties. Objective of Indian Constitution is reflected in which of the following? The preamble of the Constitution. How many types of justice has been enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution? 3 types: social, economic and political. In the preamble of the Indian Constitution, which justice is provided to all its citizens? Social, economic and political. Economic justice is one of the objectives of the Indian Constitution, has been provided in the preamble and directive principles of state policy. Preamble explicitly provides for economic justice as an objective of the Indian Constitution. The part of DPSP on the other hand contains several articles which provide economic justice. Example, Article 38 Part 1 says, the state shall strive to promote the welfare of the people by securing and protecting as effectively as it may a social order in which justice, social, economic and political shall inform all the institutions of the national life. Preamble of the Constitution of India is a part of Constitution but has no legal effect. Not a part of the Constitution has no legal effect either. A part of the Constitution and has the same legal effect as any other part. a part of the constitution but has no legal effect independently of other parts. तो ये करेक्ट होगा. प्रीएम्बल रेड विद अदर पार्ट्स इज इफेक्टिव. Supreme Court of India accepted the preamble as a part of the constitution in Keshwanand Bharti case in 1973. Preamble given in the constitution is not enforceable in a court of law, but preamble read with other parts of the constitution is, जो यहाँ पर लिखा था, हैज़ लीगल इफेक्ट. इंडिपेंडेंटली इसका कोई लीगल इफेक्ट नहीं है, बट इफ रेड विद अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इट हैज़ लीगल इफेक्ट. Preamble given in the constitution is not enforceable in courts, is important and have utility, describes the aims of governance, helps to give a judicial meaning to our constitution. All the answers are correct. The preamble given in the constitution is not enforceable in a court of law. It is notable that the preamble is amendable and has been amended only once in 1976 by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. क्योंकि यहाँ पर किसी भी ऑप्शन में 1, 2, 3, 4 नहीं दिया है, इसलिए इन्होंने ऑप्शन नहीं लिखा है. It is not enforceable in courts, is important and have utility because it defines the objectives of the constitution, describes the aims of governance because it guides कि क्या क्या कैसे governance होनी है, helps to give a judicial meaning to our constitution. Next, which of the following is correct? Social equality is not guaranteed in our constitution. Social equality already existed in our country. Social equality is guaranteed in our constitution. None of the above. Social equality has been guaranteed in our constitution under right to equality in articles 14 to 18. The preamble of the constitution also aims to ensure social equality. So यहाँ पर ये हमारा preamble का चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है. आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा प्लीज़ कमेंट करके मुझे बताइए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. वील कंटिन्यू द सीरीज फर्दर. बाय.